Hello, my friends. My name is Vasily, I am a US engineer, and today we are going to try something new. So, I am continue trying to learn different things to add more skills to my wonderful personality, right? I mean, not okay, you got it, right? So, and today we're going to make some 3D modeling work, right? Probably you already read the title. And what I'm going to do? I have a very few understanding how 3D modeling should work, right? But it is very interesting for me in terms of not video games, right? In terms of like 3D printing, right? So I also have a 3D printer, probably we will talk about it later, and I also plan to record something. Yeah, it is there, I just look at it, hey! Okay, so, and I do not know how to make a proper 3D modeling, right? I have a application like Autodesk Fusion 360. I watched several lessons on YouTube for free, right? And I already started one project. So I think why cannot we try to learn together again? On my videos, most of my videos, it's not tutorial. So basically I have no idea what I'm doing. And if you want to learn something, right? My videos would be not so perfectly compressed for you, right? And I do not know the topic, this topic, 3D modeling and how to work with Fusion 360, right? So in this case, what I want to say, like, my video is like more about entertainment, right? Like we have some fun, okay, yeah, I need to do something, yeah, calendar just remind me to do some housework, okay, I will do it, do not worry. So, as I said, I do not know how to make 3D modeling, right? And I do not know how, like, I have a very blurred understanding how Autodesk Fusion 360 is working, and I have a very few skills in 3D printing, so why not to develop it together, right? As I said, it's not tutorial, it is just like live attempt to understand will that work or not. Can I understand it or not? Of course, we have our friend, ChatGPT. I think I will use it if I stuck, right? So I think enough words, and let's try to jump to the task, right? I have here another camera. I will switch. Oh, this is my second attempt. So I recorded already like 1 hour before, I mean 2 days ago, and I was very sad because I have to switch my camera to this, right? And then when I switched to this camera, I forgot to switch back to my desktop and to this webcam, right? So, and I was talking, I was like doing some work and say, let's do this, let's do that, let's click on that. But, I mean, everything was recorded from this camera, so my desk. It is so sad. I mean, I hope you feel my pain. And I'm doing this again. So, I already did the project, and let's see how can I repeat it again. So yeah, let's switch to the task, right? Oh, I need to use another mouse. So okay. Oh, I also need to. Okay. Wonderful. So what do we have here? We have here this espresso cup. Oh, I'm also learning how to make a normal espresso. Right now I can make only something not great. So maybe we will talk about that also. I mean, why not? So here we have like a 2-dose espresso cup, right? So, and what is the problem? That I also have like a bottomless port filter, and I have a lot of space between my portafilter and this cup, right? And if we have a bottomless portafilter, like drops of coffee or how we can name it, like a flow coffee thread. Oh my god, I'm using programming words. Oh, okay, like flow of the coffee, like when it's going here, we also may have drops of coffee everywhere, right? So the idea is just to have like my port filter and put this espresso cup as high as possible. So I need small stand, right? Here I need a small stand. Okay, how will it look like? So I found something like this, but it would be smaller. So, okay. So I want to have this stand. So we will put our espresso like this, right? So, and also diameter of it would be less, right? So, and another idea, I want to have here like a small border that this coffee cup cannot be like accidentally moved or something like this, right? So again, idea to have small border, to have like this kind of stand, right? And also, like, I do not want to fill it with plastic. I exactly want to have the same like thickness of this, let's name it walls, right? So because I mean I do not need to spend so much plastic here. And of course we will print it. I don't know, probably it could be like another video, like what result do we have. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, what do I need? I need to measure this, right? So to measure this one, okay. And we have here like, oh my god, yeah, sorry, I'm not professional YouTuber. I forgot to look at my screen to see where is the cup right now. I hope I will become better. So we have here something around like a 51 and 51, right? And 2 millimeters. Let's keep it for right now, and let's move to our project and start our project, right? So let me switch to my desk, right? So this one, wonderful. Okay. So, as I said, I already created a project. Let's try to make another version, right? So create milestone. I don't know, version 1. Yeah, I had to delete the video like 1 hour. Yeah, regularly I am recording like video by 1 hour. Okay, so let's create milestone, and then let's try to create another version and start from scratch. So, okay, and let's open it. So, okay, this version 2, right? And this is version 1, right? Let's rename it. Okay, and I cannot rename it, right? Okay, let's open it. I think it could be opened, right? And let's remove everything from here, right? Oh, okay, I have this wonderful, and let me try to move this dock, right, to another side of the screen. So position left. Okay, hope right now it will not distract us. And let's remove all of this. All right, let's start from scratch. Let's remove everything. Right. Yep, delete. Yep, I know what I'm doing. Delete. Yes. Yes. Delete. Delete. Right. So, and also we have a parameters. Let's delete. Oh, why they are on another screen? So, and let's delete all of these parameters, right? Because okay. Okay, I cannot delete them, so probably we will have this here. I hope it's okay. So we have here parameters, and let's start from a sketch. So let's create a sketch. X, Y, right? Then we need a circle, right? Do you think? Yeah. So let me show. Let me create it first, and then I show it on a model, right, on the cup. So this one, I can click on D, right, dimension, and let's set here. What dimensions do we have? These parameters I already entered. What is not dimension? So diameter, right? Like okay, we have cup holder diameter. Okay, looks like this is a whole diameter, right? Let's make it. Oh, I have another screen. I need to move that screen. And also I need to move it right now. Oh, sorry, you see, everything is not professional. So, let's do this. Why it cannot be? Okay. So, 58 millimeters. Okay, let's create... So, this is like a larger diameter, right? So, right now, let's add one more diameter. So, and we can set dimension D from here to here, right? No. Okay. Yes, that's what I wanted. And diameter. Okay, so cup holder wall thickness, right? Yes. Holder wall thickness. Okay, it should be like a 3, right? So let me switch to another screen and we can discuss it. So can I try this one? Okay, this is too big. Let me make this smaller, right? And myself smaller. Actually, oh, it's wrong, right? This one. Okay. So, and actually you do not need my face here, right? Yep. So, look at this. We have this diameter, right? It is like 52, right? 52. Actually, let's check parameters. I think I set up a little bit different, right? So, like, okay. Oh yeah. Cup bottom diameter 52. Okay. So then we wanna have some border, right? So for border, as you see, we add 3 more millimeters, right? So this is like specifically this diameter, like 52 millimeters diameter that will fit and hold this bottom, right? But we want to have a wall. So to have a wall, we need to add extra space, right? Like this. And these walls, they will go down, right? They will be in this position or something like that. Okay, yeah, sorry. Maybe my explanation is not wonderful. Okay, let me switch back to me, that you can see me. Okay, so I described. So we have this wall, right? Right now we can extrude, right? So let me do this. Extrude mean like create a physical walls, right? So, and here we have height, right? So, and let me see. So cup holder, okay, height, a cup holder wall height. Okay, so, oh, no, it's incorrect. Let me do this, finish sketch, click on here. Actually, everything was correct, right? Cup holder wall height. Okay, and we have here like 8 mil, not 8, right? Let's open these parameters, right? Cup holder wall height 8 millimeters, right? Let's check how can it look like. So 8 millimeters is going to be too much, right? Oh yeah, it's going to be too much, right? Because I have this holder, right? So I need to make it 4. Okay, let's make them 4. Okay. So, and you can see right now, when I change it, when I change this parameter, we will change the model, right? Boom! This is wonderful. That's why I like parameters, right? This is like programming. We have variables. Okay, so, and let's talk about naming, right? We have here a cup holder wall, we have cup holder platform, we have cup holder. So this is my names. So I split it, the model into several models. Like in my head, I created it. So I mean, it's not like specific terms or something like this. So if we look at the desk, so we have a cup. This is cup, right? Cup holder wall means that's walls, like that's walls that will hold this cup, right? This is wall, cup holder wall. Then we are going to put here our cup, and that part I named as yeah, that part I named as oh my god, platform, and this is stand. I mean, probably this is not normal English and so on, but for me it's much easier because we are going to have several sketches. Let's go back. So screen. Okay, wonderful. So we have right now this. We need one more sketch, right? Create this one. Okay. And what we are going to do, we have this sketch, and we need to create, oh no, just one more surf. So actually, do we need to create? Maybe I can extrude. Oh no, if I because I need to fill all the space, right? With plastic. Okay, let's do that. So, and I need to have a constraints, right? So I click D. Oh no, it's not ready. Let me open please again. Where is this menu? Hey, return to my sketch, please. How can I select it? I need edit it. Come on, please. Why it's not working? Why I cannot select this? Okay. Okay, maybe like the... Oh! No. Great. Okay. Yeah, it's right now selected. Okay. So, I have this circle, right? And I need to also set here diameter, right? Or I can... actually, yeah, it's better to use diameter, right? And wanna have this. Okay. And we need like a hole diameter, cup holder diameter, right? And right now we can extrude, right? So we have this one, and we can extrude that. No, not. Why? Oh, actually, yeah. Maybe we can. Can we do? Okay, let's try to do different thing. We just extruded, right? We can try to select this one, and this one. Can I try? Okay, I cannot select this inside, right? This area that inside this circle, right? So if I return my sketch, yeah, right now I can't select it. Okay, so what I'm going to do? I'm going to extrude, right? To add physical walls, right? Physical surface. So it is going to be some kind of height. So we have a platform, right? Remember, this part, this is cup holder, wall. This is platform, right? And this is one that we added is platform. Okay, let's click on it. And right now, what I wanna see, I wanna try to change it, right? Let's change it to, for example, diameter 12, right? And okay, and let's see how will it go. Okay, how can I? Okay, not that one. Okay, oh, I forgot, right? So I can go here, and I can rotate like this. Okay, yeah, you can see that everything is good. So, okay, let's make it, let's return back and make it bigger, right? And let's validate again. So we have we have cup holder diameter, right? So no, we have bottom. Oh yeah, cup holder platform. I think this is too much. We may have just like a 6, maybe 4 millimeters, right? I mean, 6 would be okay. I mean, when we talk about 3D modeling, as I correctly understood, it's important to try to use as engineer, right? You wanna use less resources. The same in programming, right? You wanna use less memory. You wanna make less hard work and so on. So hard work means use less CPU resources, right? So yeah, let's keep 6 millimeters, right? And what do we need? We need one more sketch, right? So let me add this sketch again on the top of the surface, right? So probably it is, maybe you know how to make this better. Wait, okay, and add sketch. Okay, the same. I'm going to have this one, right? I wanna say here diameter. Diameter is our constraint, and it will always keep it in this parameter, right? So constraints are our friends. Cup holder platform, what is this? So this is cup holder diameter, right? Yeah. So 58 millimeters, like a whole diameter. Wonderful. So what is gonna happen next? So I need, no, I didn't finish it, right? Okay. I need to have another diameter, right? So for right now we can have the same thickness, the same wall thickness, right? That we have so we have cup holder walls, right? Things that will hold cup on the top and will not allow to drop it accidentally, right? To move it. So let's try to keep the same thickness that we have on that wall, right? On that cup holder wall. So let's add dimension. So this one, and it is going to be, probably we can change it later, why not, right? I mean, so cup holder diameter, yeah, so I'm slow. So because I'm not prepared, I hope you enjoy it. So cup holder diameter, not diameter, come on, wall thickness, cup holder wall thickness, right? So let's also add one more property. So we have property user parameter. So I have 62 millimeters, right? And what is this? Let's jump to our desk and think about. So I totally I have something around 125 millimeters height between port filter and in the bottom of the coffee machine, right? So probably what do I need? Do I need to define all this property, right? Probably yes, right? So let's do this. I can define like a whole maximum height, right? And also I can define this cup height, 62, 61, 62, okay. So let's go back. Ooh. So let's add user parameter, and we have like a so espresso cup, voila, and okay, and cup holder, cup with holder maximum height. No, just cup, just espresso cup. Espresso cup height. And as you saw, it is 62 millimeters. Okay. Right, now let's add one more parameter. It is going to be cup and holder total height. So like the cup, like together, right? Like we have like this, and we like what is going to be a distance, right? Full distance, full height. So okay, and we have 125 millimeters, right? And okay, right now we have cup height, right? what does it mean? Let's so we have parameters, right? So okay, let's add one more property. Cup holder total height. So what is gonna be? So we will have cup and holder total height minus espresso cup height. Okay, 63, right? We have 63, but we already extruded that distance, right? So if I move it here and I click on here, we already have this distance, right? Let's also remove. So because we're talking about just stand means from this point, right, and upper, right? So let's add one more property. Or maybe no, we may use here cup holder, right? Cup holder height minus what? Minus cup holder minus cup holder platform height and minus what? Minus we have another height here, right? So espresso we just added, we have one height. Oh, and cup holder wall height. Holder wall height. Let's check. So right, like 125 minus 62, we will have 63, right? 60 from 63 we can subtract this height, right? 6 millimeters. So it's first part. This is first part, right? Let me show you that part, right? Okay, that part, right? This is 4 millimeters, right? And then our platform, right? This our platform, right? Okay, so correct, and we have a height of a stand. Let's extrude that. Come on, I need to move. Okay, so let's extrude. You know what? This is going faster. Actually, second time it is faster. Previously I spent whole hour, and right now we have 33 minutes, and I'm talking a lot, right? Okay, so and we have height here. What height? So cup stand height, right? Okay, and right now let's see this and let's try to measure it. Inspect, right, from this to this. Distance 63. Correct. That's what I wanted, right? A total distance, right, of the 63. Great. Let's have a fast review of it, right? So I wanna rotate it and see. Yeah, it's very simple, right? I mean, probably I can make it better, but I mean, you know, I have no idea like how to make it better. Maybe we together can learn and add more beautiful things like after some time, right? Suggest me something. How can I make it better for this wonderful cup? For example, maybe we may have may update this thing that let me switch it. That, for example, when I finish after this stand, when I finish making wonderful coffee, one day I feel I will make a wonderful coffee. I can put it like this, right? So I need here like a space for the arm, right? For this arm. Maybe we can do this, right? I mean, why not? But for today, my knowledge is very limited. Let's see how will it work. I mean, I'm excited to watch this video with you maybe in 2-3 years, like first, okay, not first, second modeling video, right? So yeah, I will print it and we will discuss the result on the next video, because all my videos, they kind of live, right? I am trying to develop that skill also, like that I can speak clearly, that I can speak clear and you can understand what I'm trying to do, because even not in my language, I mean, I cannot from time to time formulate like say what I meant, right? Okay, so we have this wonderful stand. I will print it and you can send me some more ideas what we can do, like a small ideas, right? Small things that we can design, and of course print everything what I'm going to design. I wanna print, I wanna explore 3D printing more, because I think this is very interesting, right? I mean, and like we have to explain our parents, our girlfriends, our wives, right? Why we bought that thing that took 1 billion of square feet space, right? That eat lots of electricity and made like a lots of sounds. Okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. You're welcome to help me to develop this this format, video format, 3D modeling, right? Like write your ideas, write your comments, write your any feedback. What can we do? How we can make it better, right? Yeah. That's it. Have a wonderful rest of the day or week. Yeah, I always promise to see you often, but yeah, it's today I cannot promise that we can meet very soon. So yeah, that's it. See you, and again, printed model you will see in the next 3D modeling video. See you. Bye.